Hey, today we're doing the hand-to-hand in the cha-cha. A very simple step. Cha-cha-cha. This is a great step because you can work on your balance. Let's get into the footwork. We start with a weight on the right foot. We're gonna step back on the left foot. Now, put the weight back onto the right foot. It's gonna be side on the left, closing right foot, side on the left. Now, we're gonna go back on the right, replace to the left, and we got side right, close the left, and side right. We did one full hand-to-hand on each side. We gotta practice that a bunch of times so it's easy. Let's do it again. So we're gonna go back on the left, replace the right, and side, close, side, and back on the right, replace left, and side, close, side, and back on the left, and replace, and side, close, side, nice and slow, repetition is good, back, replace, and side, close, side. Okay, we're gonna do that with a metronome in a moment, but first, you might be feeling like you're struggling because you have two left feet. Don't feel bad. When I first started, I actually had 3 left feet. So if I can do it, you can do it. Starting at the count of 2, we're gonna do that 7 times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 2, 3, 4, and done. Good job. And now, let's do it with a partner. Abracadabra. But first, followers footwork. Women are smarter than men. That's why all you gotta do is remember, it's the same thing on the other side. So just start with your right foot back, ladies. Back on the right, replace the left, and then you got side right, close left, side right. Now back left. That's it, rock step. Replace the right, and side, close, side. You got this. Okay, let's see us do it together. 4 times through, we have 2, 3, 4, and go. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 2, 3, 4, and done. To create the hand-to-hand, we're gonna actually just switch off. So we hold right to left here, leaders right to followers left, as we do one side. And then as we release, we just switch. Leaders left to followers right. Let's do it slowly with the footwork. So it's going to be, and rock back, one hand hold here, and then just switch hands, wow, and then rock, replace, cha-cha-cha, rock, replace, cha-cha-cha, rock, replace, cha-cha-cha. Give me a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 2, 3, 4, and done. You are gonna wanna get some fantastic hip action. And we have a free tutorial for you. All you have to do is click right up here and get that hip action going. Look forward to seeing you there.
Let's subscribe for more videos.
Videos! I like this video.
That's right.